First time riding a, what do you call that?
Bike.
No, it's called training wheels. No, get on your bike. I'm going to videotape you and I'll show you. Get on your bike. Yeah. Show me how you turn and stuff. I'm recording you. Yes. I'm recording you. Hurry up. Hurry. Show me how you can pedal that bike, how you just learned. Keep going forward. Look at your daddy. He's a kid at heart. Except for he left this thing open. Go. Go. Good job. Okay, let's see you turn. Turn. I think somebody wants a bike for Christmas.
For me?
Yeah. Come on.
First.
What's wrong? Is it stuck? Come on. Just get on and then pedal. There you go. Push forward. There you go. See? Good job. Keep going. Don't push backwards or you'll stop. Okay, don't stop.
Okay.
Look, he just learned how to ride that bike. 4 years old. My baby preemie. Look, here he goes. I'm so proud of you. Good job, baby. Give me 5. Give me 5.
Harder.
Come on. Good job. I can't pull that down.